guys, what's up? Do you like my new hair? I donated it. Woohoo! Okay, I'm in the HRV hybrid, and it's a very, very popular mid-size SUV. Even for me, when it first came out, I was actually pretty attracted to it. I was like, oh, it's a nice looking car, very nice for females, like, you know, because it's so petite and the height is there, the visibility is there. So I've been driving it for about 10 minutes, and the few things that I noticed that I actually really like is this gear knob. I like how it feels when you push it into gear. What textile feeling? Tactility. The tactility. Oh, my engineer's telling me the tactility is just so nice. I'll show it to you guys later. The other thing that I really appreciate is the compartments they have on the side here and in the middle here. I put so many things everywhere already that when I'm driving, you can hear everything like. It's like I want to drive an old car. So even when I put a smart tag here, it's so easily reachable that I don't even have to bend down, because some cars are so tall that I have to actually bend down to get that smart tag, but this is just here. I think that's nice, and because it's a hybrid, I like the sound that it has. I feel like I just sounded like a stupid ghost that cannot scare people properly. So yeah, that's about it for now, and more to come when I drive. Oh, the suspension though, not really liking the suspension. I feel it's a little bit harsh. Yeah. Okay, bye. Oh, we're going to Ipoh, by the way. Road trip. See my grandma. Okay, bye. So we stopped at Family Mart. We stopped at Sungai Buloh restaurant, and I know why it's so good now. I'm Family Mart, and I stopped Krispy Kreme. So I got some Krispy Kreme for my family and us. And we're getting some stuff at Family Mart. Guys, does anyone love frap as much as I do? Oh my god, the ice! So another thing that we found that we like is, check it out.
Oh look, I got coffee, I got keys.
Oh no, what are you gonna do? Oh no.
Oh wait, look here.
Oh.
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 Oh my god.
Oh,
that's
it's
some genius
2-in-1.
invention
Oh
right there.
God.
Oh.
Gotta buy the car now just for that.
By the way, the car is ready to go now, and it's so quiet. See? That's just the aircon, guys. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you what I meant with the, what's that term again, engineer?
Tactility?
Yeah, man, that tactility thing. Okay, back Krispy Kreme. Guys, check this out.
Brakes on, right?
Yeah, brakes on. So I just put in reverse. Look at that shit! That's amazing. Reverse camera, quite low res. This is quite low, by the way. Huh?
Scratched already though.
Yeah, so with this type of,
Finish.
yeah, with this type of texture, this is like piano black. Yeah, you get a bit of scratches here and there, but I didn't notice until he pointed it out, so it's completely fine. Guys, check it out. There's this compartment just right here, and okay, no car anyway. It just doesn't move. You just put there. Like amazing. My gosh. Sad.
Yes.
How fast do you think we're going right now? How fast do you feel like we're going right now?
By feel,
Yeah.
100, 110.
Do you feel stable?
I feel stable.
Do you feel like it's going? Do you feel like it's up control?
Yeah.
Actually going close to 160. That's nothing, right?
Sorry, I need to show my eyes. 160.
It really feels like nothing, right?
Yeah.
And also just not like, oh, tekan.
We're in Ipoh.
And even though we slept about 4 hours.
3 hours.
3 3 hours only 3 to 4 hours so like 3 6, 7, 4 hours It's about 3 to 4 hours. It's been quite an interesting conversation.
So, since you're from Ipoh, what is good in Ipoh?
该有烧饭
Besides that?
The dog fa. I'm not a foodie, okay? the salted chicken, Ipoh kai.
What would a local know that I wouldn't know? Because these 3 things you mentioned, I also know.
Oh, what a local would know that you wouldn't know?
Yeah.
My grandma cooks the best nasi lemak.
Oh.
Used to cook. She don't cook anymore.
You think if I ask her to cook, will she cook?
She will, but my aunties will kill you for making her cook again. So, up to you, man. Risky. Get good food, but you might die. Good morning, guys. I don't know if you can see me so early in the morning. Yesterday we came back from Ipoh and then it was so tiring because we were like on the road for like 4 hours. Yeah. But my fuel consumption is damn good. I'm so impressed. And now I'm taking it for hiking. I'm going to Braga here right now. So yeah. I'm actually impressed, you know, with the HRV. Like I'm super impressed. I've never ever driven on eco mode for the longest, like the whole time. I've never just driven on eco mode. I usually just go sports or comfort, but now I'm like on eco. I've never even wanted to drive in sports. It's amazing. It's one of the first cars that actually make me contemplate getting a hybrid. Hey guys, so I just finished my videos at Eco Forest and I've been with the HRV for 2 days now. Yeah, I took it to Evo, I took it to Ipoh, and this morning I took it to Semenye, Braga Hill, and hiking and whatnot. It's so good. It's so nice to drive, and it's amazing, you know, because I floor this thing. The pickup is good, the stability is good, the suspension is alright. I wouldn't say it's the best, but it's good and it's so spacious and it's so easy for me to just run around with this car because it's spacious enough for me to dump so many things inside, and it's small enough for me to just get in and out of jams and parking areas. Right now it's like jam. But a few things, so after driving it for about 2 days, so a few things that I'm a bit like, why you don't have one? And a few things that, hey, I really like this is the compartments. The compartments are amazing. The compartments are amazing. Why is there only one USB port? Why is this smaller than the other variant ones? Because Fan has one and Kevin has one, our teammates, and their infotainment screen is bigger. This one they like downsize. I don't get it. If you're charging more, why are you downsizing things? And why are you only giving like one USB port? You know, the other variant that Fan and Kevin has, it has like 2-3 USB ports. But what I do appreciate is how this light goes on and off, and if you're in different modes. For example, this is sport mode, and immediately you have your rev meter right there. But if you go back, if you don't want sport mode, and this is back to EV mode, eco mode, go back to green color. And I just love the seating position. Drop the top lah, no more haze eh. Yeah, anyway, I love the seating position. I think this is the best thing that I love, the gear knob, the feel of the gear knob. Woo! So nice. And the buttons and the feel and just basically how I feel sitting in here. I think it's great lah. Just that I don't understand, you know, why if you're charging more, why you take out so many things? Like USB ports, you just give me like 1 or 2 more, I'll be so happy. Really. Infotainment screen, I'm fine with it. Oh, the other thing that I love, this HRV hybrid really made me love hybrids, because when I brake, I feel like I don't feel like I'm wearing out my brake pads. I feel like I am getting energy because I'm doing regenerative braking. Means that it's charging my battery, so I don't feel so bad in braking. You know how in my NC I feel like, oh shit, when I brake hard I feel like I am wearing out my brake pads and I'm just gonna have to change it more. But this one's like, wow, yes, I'm charging my battery, and that's I love that lah. So yeah, other than that, I think that's really about it for this car. The sound system, I cannot lie, I just have to try out the sound system. The feel of these buttons too, man. Let's see if they have all this a bit like chill music. So let me
There are days I wake up and I pinch myself and I'm scared.
clear, but it's very bassy. I wouldn't say the best, but for the price that the HRV is at, I think it's good. And yeah, I think that really is about it. If I have any more things, I'll let you know. But it really, I get it lah. I get why there are so many HRVs on the road. I mean, for the value of the car, the price it's at, and the things that you get. But yeah, for an in-depth review, more justifications on why it's such a good car, but check out Bobby's review.